Reducing the amount of oil in your diet is important for maintaining overall health and preventing chronic diseases. Here are the important reasons why low oil is good in your diet. 1. To reduces calorie intake. Oils are high in calories, around 9 calories per gram, and consuming them in excess can lead to weight gain. Reducing oil helps manage portion control and maintain a healthy weight. 2. To lowers risk of heart disease. Excessive oil, especially saturated and trans fats, raises bad cholesterol (LDL) levels, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. 3. To prevents high blood pressure. Too much oil can lead to high blood pressure, a significant risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. 4. To improves digestive health. A diet high in oily foods can cause indigestion or aggravate conditions like acid reflux and bloating. 5. To reduces risk of diabetes. Consuming large quantities of oil, especially those high in unhealthy fats, can lead to insulin resistance, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. 6. To supports liver health. Excess fat in the diet can lead to fat buildup in the liver, potentially causing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFLD). 7. To promotes balanced nutrition. Limiting oil encourages the consumption of nutrient-dense, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which support overall health. 8. To prevents obesity. A high intake of oil leads to excessive fat storage in the body, contributing to obesity, which increases the risk of numerous chronic conditions. 9. To reduces inflammation. High consumption of unhealthy oils, like those with trans fats or excessive omega-6, can lead to chronic inflammation, linked to heart disease, arthritis, and other conditions. 10. To encourages healthy cooking methods. Limiting oil in your diet promotes healthier cooking methods such as steaming, grilling, boiling, or baking, which are better for overall health. By opting for healthier fats in moderation, like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, and reducing the use of excessive or fried oils, you can improve heart health, manage weight, and maintain long-term wellness. Love from Cecilia, a World.